Welcome back. So in this section, we'll discuss about when the application get not responding or your desktop window stop responding, and then if you're trying to open any shortcut application from here, this is not getting open. Also, right clicking is not responding, yeah, or the open the application window is not getting response. So how will fix that? So if you're facing any application like a stop responding, that does you have opened 2 or 3 application and one of the application is not responding. Let's suppose that you have open a Word. Let's suppose that you are working on a Word and Excel, the Notepad file. The multiple application is open, and one of the Word file is stop responding. That if you're trying to right click or clicking or typing or clicking any menu is not responding. So how will you fix this? For the particular application, you can do one thing. You can open the Task Manager, right click on the taskbar, and then Task Manager. And here you'll find all the open application from this user. Could be that the multiple user has a login or system, so you will not find that application open with a different user. Yeah, so you can do one thing. Just you can click on the details tab where you will find all the process running from the different users, either from running on the system contents or you are running in the different user ID. Yeah, you can find all the running application here. So you can do one thing. You can just find the application which is not responding for you. So for the you can sort it, and then you can find the like is a Windows Word. You can find this application and then right click and end task. You can click on this button. So it will close this Word application forcefully. So remember that all the changes you have made that could lose, because there's an internal feature inside this Word like the auto save. If you have enabled this, then you will get the most recent changes. You can end process here. So you can now next time open and use that. Yeah. So this was the solution for any application. For particular application is not responding. And what you need to do when like the desktop windows stop responding, this you right click on this is not happening, and you're trying to open any application from here, this is not getting open. So what is the process for resolving this issue? Yeah. So for this, when is desktop is not responding, there's a process explorer.exe. You need to find this process. This is showing running, that could be not responding state sometime. So you can select this explorer.exe and task. See, all the application has been like the running application will not get closed, only the desktop window has been stopped. So now you need to reload this. So for that you can go to the file option and the run new task. Here you can type explorer.exe and it will reload it now. Yeah. So this way you can fix the not responding state for the particular application and for the desktop also without rebooting this.